Sunshine 79, just below that 80-degree mark now, and a bit of a breeze from the north at 10. That breeze will be a little bit more of a factor tomorrow at about 10 to 20 miles an hour, but still dry, still sunny. Our weather very calm, completely different from the areas down to the south of us. This morning, very cool away from the city, a lot of 40s showing up, and afternoon temperatures right now mostly in the mid to upper 70s. A similar temperature range again overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. Here is Milton. Again, it's down a category as it's been encountering vertical wind shear on the approach to Florida. And we talked about this yesterday, how it would drop in category, but the eye and the storm itself would expand. So a very wide area of hurricane force winds approaching the peninsula of Florida. And overnight will make that landfall probably later this evening, and then overnight move across the peninsula and still on the other side, still be at hurricane strength before eventually moving way offshore and losing tropical characteristics as early as later tomorrow night and through early Friday. So no longer tropical as it makes its way farther east toward Bermuda with time over the weekend. Now, as far as the radar view goes, you can see right now that northern part of the eye wall, not far from Sarasota and pushing a lot of water into the Tampa Bay area. It's rather exposed on the south side of the eye as it's going just to the northwest of Fort Myers, basically near Sarasota, where the eye or at least the eye wall itself can make landfall later on tonight. A little adjustment here in the storm surge map that I showed you earlier. That's been adjusted down in Tampa Bay 6 to 9 feet. That's still significant, but areas south of there, Sarasota 9 to 13 foot storm surge potential, and then south to Fort Myers in that 8 to 12 foot range. And to give you some perspective on the push of water that can do, you take a single story house on the coastline, a 3-foot surge would almost cover the car. 6 feet would move a car and start submerging the house. You get around a 9-foot storm surge. All that's left is a rooftop there being exposed to the water, but there's wave action on top being destructive. So anything above 9 to 10 fully submerges single-story homes like that. So a dangerous situation there over Florida, especially tonight and overnight hours of that storm surge. Now for us again, not much is going to change overnight. Upper 40s, low 50s early in the day tomorrow, and again temperatures through the afternoon again into the mid to upper 70s, a lot like how it felt today, but it will be breezy. North wind at around 10 to 20 miles an hour. 7-day forecast has some slightly warmer afternoons, but cool mornings through the weekend. How about 83 Sunday? But as soon as we start warming up, some of the coolest air of the season could be on the way for the start of next week.
All right, David, thanks so much. Now let's